Welcome to my video. Just want to do a little beginner's guide. Some things that I kind of wish I did or knew instantly when I started playing Upland. It's a fun game. Came out in 2019. Y'all probably know, probably looked at other articles about the FSA, the different visitor, uh, Uplander, and pro levels. Um, so definitely want to start in Cleveland. It's the cheapest one. You want to buy the properties and fill up the collections. You're going to try to buy properties with a high UPX, earnings with a high UPX. Also, this is on the higher end because when you couple them, they're blue because when you couple them, you get the higher return on it, higher interest rate. For example, I'll show you this on Martin Luther King. So when it's not coupled, not in the blue, um, it gets less than 53. Because it's in, you would see a number less than that. Because it's in, it's getting it in that range. For example, I'll show you one that's I'm selling, and if it was in the range, it would be getting between 43 and 55. See, monthly earnings is 39, even though I'm still trying to sell it. Still getting minted earnings in this virtual property in the form of UPX. It is what it is. Pretty cool to me. And if you decide to get in, or you're ready in, or deciding to get in watching this video, um, just know I'm not telling you to do it. I'm not giving any financial advice. Just telling you it's a fun game. If you want to play, you should play. And the best way to win and buy property is to do this. Some people like to use those different websites. I think there's two. One of them's pretty cool, actually. It uses Binance. I'm going to put that in the link as well as my referral code and some other beginner articles that helps me. Really did. Publish too. You should check out Publish. You can tip Ethereum. I will farm and AMPL, which work with Ethereum. But it's really cool. Check out the links. So go to about 5,000, right? I passed a bunch of properties with different UPX prices and UP squared. UP squared is the size, right? I don't want to pay more than 5,000. Say you go in with the referral code, you get the 45. You buy $50 worth, you get 50,000 plus the 25,000, which is half of that. So you have $75,000, about 80,000. Because of the 45. You want to fill up all those collections, so you might want to just scan the neighborhood or scan the whole thing to get those first three. But I'm just going to show you, whether you decide to, you just, you scan the area when you zoom it in. You just have to hit that button right there, and it'll cover that whole area. So I'm covering all of Cleveland now, but if you want to zone into that neighborhood, just zone into that neighborhood and then still click that same button. This will pop up. You hit Control F, right? You type in size, and then the size that you want, exactly like that, how it looks right here. So you get that exact number. So I don't know if it was, maybe there was one that was 80. Probably not, but I just go down sometimes. Go 80. It's annoying, but sometimes you'll get one. At least you'll get the biggest property in that area. 68 UP squared. This is the highest. They're all next to each other, all in Parkview. So one of the collections was they all have to be on the same street. So I think that's pretty funny that they're all on the same street, all right there, all under 5,000. Boom. You got the first one and the second one. I could even get this as a backup, or I know I might just buy it because I know that's what people are going to want. New people coming into the game, and like I said, I'm not going to say too much about just the worth of this game in this video, but it's only in the U.S. and very few people know about it. So it's essentially it's $0.00025. So I don't know. Imagine playing this game in a different country. But